It is now 2024, and for more than a decade now, there's been data that says it is cheaper to retain a student at a university than it is to try and recruit a new one. So based on that information alone, putting in different analytics and using data to your advantage so that you can look out for how can we keep students engaged? How can we keep students enrolled in their courses? There are very subtle changes that can be made to make that happen, and we're going to talk about that. In order to best help students complete their college career, which is really important because students that don't complete are actually worse off than if they never had started to begin with. And so how can we help? We can use data to actually determine, is there a financial need here? Is there an academic need here? Is there a relational need here in regards to how much engagement's happening on campus? Fortunately, it's 2024, and we have access to all sorts of data about students when they're on campus. So let's think about what kind of predictive models and analytics can we use to help students complete their collegiate career and succeed in life. Over the last few years, Resultant has been building a solution for a set of Indiana colleges. It's called Campus Analytics Engine. And what it is it's two different predictive models that have been built out for student retention and for student enrollment and matriculation. So we're focused on the two biggest pain points for universities, which are growing enrollment and helping students stay engaged through their collegiate career. Early warning systems, indicators, data can be used for the benefit of students so that they can complete their college careers, so that they can stay engaged and obviously be a huge benefit to the university that they're attending later on. The Campus Analytics Retention Module is set up in such a way as to bring to light to academic affairs offices and those at an institute that are working on student retention and engagement to show them flags, to show them where there might be risk, where there might be warnings, where should they intervene, and with whom. We calculate this every single week, and we bring to light the specific score of a student and what the likelihood is of them going through an attrition from the university or staying engaged and retaining. The value to an institute of having a predictive model running in the background, constantly looking at what are the factors for a student to stay engaged, and then being able to do something about it is a huge value add for any institute to maintain a healthy donor base, to keep students engaged, to interact and intervene fast when there's a need. Timing is everything when it comes to the Campus Analytics Retention Module because you have to engage fast. And some of the long-term effects of this that we've seen with the Indiana colleges that have implemented the retention module have been a greater increase in retention itself, happy graduates, a bigger donor pool, and what's better than having kids be prepared for success in life and then also have a great reputation with the institute that they came from.